There are two ways to make a word plural or mean more than one. One way is to add s, the other way is to add es. We will be looking at word patterns that will help you know which ending to use. The first thing that you have to do is cut the words apart. Please cut carefully on the lines so that the word cards look neat. See how the corners are square and the lines are straight? After you do that, then you need to look and find the card that says plus S and the one that says plus ES. Put them on two sides of your desk. Then we're going to look at each of the words and we're going to see if they added S or ES to the base word. So we're going to look at each word. This word is taxes. What is the base word on it? Tax. So they added ES. This word is coaches. What's the base word? Coach. They added ES to it, so it goes there. Take a look at this word. Glasses. What's the base word? Glass. So we add it to the ES. Lunches. What's the base word? Lunch. So we add it to the ES. What about houses? What's the base word there? House. House ends with an E already, so they didn't add ES to it, they just added S. So that goes on the plus S side. What about classes? The base word is class, so they added ES. Take a look at this one. Places. What's the base word? Place. And it also has an E already, so they just added an S to it. Speeches. What's the base word? Speech. So they added ES to it. Pieces. The base word is piece that has an S, that has an E in it, so they just added an S. This word, badges. The base word is badge, which has an E with it already, so all they did was add an S. And this one is plants, and the base word is plant, so they added an S. What about this one? Bosses. The base word is boss. They added ES, so we put it here. Girls, they just added an S. Riches, they added ES. Eyes, they added an S. Wishes, I see an ES. Dishes, I also see an ES. Flashes, ES. Dresses, ES. Bushes, ES. Pages, page is the base word, so all they did was add an S. Months, month is the base word, so they just added an S. Stitches, stitch is the base word, so they added ES. Boxes, box is the base word, so they added ES. Inches, inch is the base word, so they added ES. After all the cards are sorted, please read through them and notice the word endings. How do we know when to add S or ES? Do you see a pattern that could help you? Let's look at the base words for the plus ES group. Do you notice what the base words end with? Take a look. Tax ends with an X. Glasses, it ends with glass ends with an S. Class ends with an S. Boss ends with an S. Wishes ends with an SH. Flashes ends with an SH. Bushes ends with an SH. Box ends with an X. Coach ends with a CH. Lunch ends with a CH. Speech ends with a CH. Rich ends with a CH. Dish ends with an SH. Dress ends with an S. Stitch ends with a CH. Inch ends with a CH. All the base words end in SH, CH, X, or S. That's how you know if you add ES to a word. If it has an S, a CH, an SH, that's how you know. Now look over here. This one ends with an H, and it just has an S, but it's a TH, not a CH or an SH. So it's only if it's CH, S, X, or SH do you put the ES. So that's how you know. So you are all ready to do your very first sort. Thanks.